All right, this your boy DG.
In Paradise.
And we are the DG Girls.
Hey, we sitting up here live at the Shutter Shack Studios with one of my most favorite photographer, Calvin. I don't know if I should say his last name or not, but if you in the industry, you know he's a beast. He's a G on these pictures. So we're getting ready for, of course, Jingle Jams.
Hey.
December 20th.
Bring a toy.
New toy.
Right after the youth rally at 7 p.m.
Right. The youth rally is very, very important to us. I don't care where you party December the 20th, but before you go to that party, make sure you get to the youth rally. It is not for anybody but yourself and for the angels that we lost this year. A lot of people have been rattled with the deaths. People are online talking about suicide and killing themselves and that they can't make it or they're not going to make it. And guess what? You are going to make it. And
DG cares.
DG does care. And as leaders in this game, no matter what you say, 21 and Below Entertainment, as leaders in this game, we're going to do our part. So on Friday, December the 20th, from 7 to 9 p.m., come and get you some encouragement, some refreshments, some literature on some power, some jobs, suicide prevention, whatever you need that's going to help you get to that next level, we're going to try to deliver that to you. Now, this is not like it's DG ordained and we had time to plan it, but I refuse to let another young, beautiful lady just go. There was another incident that just happened. 14-year-old girl dumped in a dumpster in the city of Mesa, 14. So now we have people of all colors, black, white, and Mexicans dying at very young age before the year is out, before people's birthdays are coming. And people are not partying like they used to because they don't know where to go. Well, guess what? The Bible says, fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. Through all things, through Christ going to strengthen us, guys, and we're going to get through this together. So come out and have fun with us. Now, with that being said, guess what? We got the biggest New Year's Eve party coming in the Valley, period. If you 21 and up, guess what? We got something for you too. But if you 21 and below, ain't nobody I know doing a party outside of us. So come party with us. Lights, camera, action, balloon drops, confetti guns, Arizona Event Center, props, DG Girls, contest. We got a free champagne toast for you guys that's old enough to do it. And we're going to end the year out with a bang. Now, before we leave this shoot, rest in peace, Nora, rest in peace, Q. Before we leave this shoot, Q, Queen, however you say it. I didn't even know the girl personally, but it's very, very important because we've seen how much you impact people's lives. But with that being said, we have listed every single event for 2014 online. So you can go online right now, see every event that we got 2014. We already 2015 on y'all, but we understand that we got a lot of things lined up for 2014. You can go look at it. Deposit's been made. We're ready to go. I gotta talk about Yike Fest AZ2, Aqua 5. Turn up to the max. Prices to rock. Bones, Get It Indie, Lucci, J12, DG Girl, C2 Saucy. We all up in the building. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to give you guys a big hint. Go to our 2014 Aquaside Pie, special guests and all of that. Get your tickets now when it's cheap. Because when the Yike Fest 2 is introduced, I guess I gave it away, but hey, some people are dumb enough that they still not gonna get it. But make sure that you get your tickets now while it is cheap. To end the beef, we don't care who come function with us. BCP, UAD, BBD, I just don't want STD. Everybody come down and get with us. This your boy DG, your girl,
Paradise.
DG Girls.
DG Girls.
We DG out. Peace.